ito. So, galing kami sa heaven. Kaya ito yung tulo ng dugo namin, bughaw.
Okay, one. Wait lang, guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. B for brave, L for love, A for aggressive, C for and K for God. We are the Black Team.
Palakpakan naman dyan! Thank you so much.
Asensya na kayo, guys.
Ha? Tahimik. Okay guys, are you ready?
Yes!
What is yellow?
We are the glory!
Give me a G.
God is great.
Give me an L.
Live is dead.
Give me an O.
Overcome.
Give me an R. Give me a Y.
Yell to him!
All together. Give him glory. Glory, 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 glory.
Glory. Glory means there's an acceleration. There's a what else? In the glory, everything is accelerated. And what else? It's divine. All the glory belongs to Him. Amen.
We were the blood of Christ our tip. We were the blood of Christ our tip. We were blood blue. Boldness. Love. Obedience. Overcomers. Divine.
Sobrang galing. Yung flag namin, made by ano to, from the heart of Jadon din. BOC meaning is the blood of Christ. And then yung green ng flag namin, representing the life of grace. And then the tree is, yan. Yeah. The tree kasi yan ang logo natin ng life of grace. Diyan nag-i-start ang buhay, kaya meron tayong blood of Christ.
Are you ready? Are you ready, Clinton? Big! Loud and clear! Victory is growing near!
Explanation ang...
Naubos ang isa.
Tay, explain mo, Tay. Tay.
Kaya green kami kasi ang Panginoon siya ang aming sandalan. Doon kami humiga sa Kanya, umaasa. Kaya sa Psalms 23, the great pastor.